In this video, I'll show you how to add money to your Payoneer account and what options are actually available. First, sign in to your Payoneer account and check your balance section. If your account supports it, you may see an Add Funds button. Payoneer says this feature is only available to certain eligible accounts, so not every user will see this option. If it appears, click Add Funds and follow the instructions to enable the feature. Next, once the feature is enabled, Payoneer will show you special receiving account details that are meant for adding funds from your own bank account. Open your bank app or online banking, create a transfer, and send the money using the exact account details shown in Payoneer. Another common way to add money is by receiving payments from clients or platforms. Go to Get Paid, then Receiving Accounts, and share those bank details with clients or companies that need to send you money internationally. You can also use Request a Payment inside Payoneer. Enter your client's email, the payment amount, and send the request so they can pay you directly. So depending on your account, you can add money using Add Funds, Receiving Accounts, or Payment Requests. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.